The Mercury Credit Card is designed for people with fair credit, typically in the 580 to 669 range, who want an unsecured option to build or rebuild their credit profile. It is invitation only, meaning applications are limited to those who receive a pre-qualified offer in the mail with a reservation code. Most of the time, the best offers carry no annual fee, and there is no security deposit required. The card reports to all three major credit bureaus. Responsible use can lead to automatic credit limit increases over time. There is a basic rewards program earning 1 point per dollar spent, essentially 1% cash back, which adds some extra value while you work on improving your credit. Holders also get free access to their FICO score, making it easier to track progress. The biggest advantage here is the ability to access unsecured credit without upfront cost, which is rare for people in this credit tier. However, it is critical to note the extremely high APR, typically around 30% or higher. Carrying a balance even for 1 month will quickly result in significant interest charges that can eat away any rewards earned and make paying off the card much harder. Other drawback is the pre-selection process. You cannot apply openly, and terms may vary depending on the specific offer. Some versions may include an annual fee, and there is also a 3% foreign transaction fee, which makes it a poor choice for international spending. Overall, this card can be a useful stepping stone for those committed to paying their full balance every month and avoiding interest entirely. In that scenario, it can help improve credit scores and offer modest rewards without the yearly cost found in many subprime options. The risk lies in carrying a balance or misunderstanding the terms, as high interest rates and potential fees can quickly outweigh its benefits. This card is best suited for disciplined users treating it like a debit card and focusing on credit building, not borrowing.